What is white boxing in real estate? When looking at homes for sale, you might come across properties that have been stripped clean of furniture, paint, cabinets, and even flooring. This is called white boxing, and it's meant to present a home as a blank canvas that potential buyers can then envision and create the home that they can turn that space into. Here's what you need to know about white boxing. White boxing provides buyers with a home that's ready to be renovated and customized. Sellers often will remove electrical, gas, and plumbing systems, and even cut new holes for windows and doors to create that blank slate. The buyer will know up front what the home needs to be livable and can plan accordingly. Sometimes, sellers white box expensive luxury homes to make them appealing to buyers who will likely gut and renovate them anyway. In such cases, the seller essentially does the prep work, and the buyer avoids having to pay for demolition work before they start remaking the home. Sellers also white box homes that may be in rough shape to be transparent about the amount of work the property requires. It strips away outdated or worn elements that could turn off buyers while retaining the benefits of the overall structure. White boxing does have its drawbacks. Obviously, if you're looking for a move-in ready home, a white boxed property that requires a lot of work isn't right for you. If you're selling your home, deciding to white box is a major decision that depends on the condition of your home, how quickly you need to sell it, and the type of buyer you're aiming for. Be sure to discuss the pros and cons with your real estate agent to help you decide if white boxing your home will help you sell your home in a way that meets your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your home buying or selling journey.